Hey YouTube, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Eric. I like to post weekly videos on different things that I do in the LA area. In this video this week, I'm going on a trip, so I thought I would share a few different travel tips. There are two things I love to do when I first start planning for a trip. One, I'll make a destination list. Then I'll make a packing list. It's easier to pack when you know the destinations that you're heading to. This is probably my favorite part about the packing process. What am I going to bring? Probably nothing new, but maybe I'll check out these Vans. Maybe in case I go hiking. Let's think. These Levi's are pretty cool. For fun. And we have the flip-flops. Hey, what's up guys? So this last bag right here is going to be just a few kind of like carry-on items, daily essentials. So let's see how it goes.